What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Sean Wotherspoon, man, he started here, he went here, and now he's with Adidas making Hot Wheels and all kind of stuff. But you know the saying, the OG's usually the best. But I like where Sean Wotherspoon was going. So I wanted to kind of put these sneakers together because they so different, but yet so similar. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir, man. I appreciate everybody who like and subscribe these videos, man. It really warms my heart. Today, I want to talk about Sean Wotherspoon because he's getting into a lot with the fans or the people who buy his sneakers or don't buy his sneakers because they feel like he fell off. This channel here, Sneaker Notes, we don't sugarcoat. I tell you exactly how I feel, and it is what it is. I don't think he fell off. I think he's trying a whole bunch of new stuff. Like, he's trying to do, like, silhouettes of his past when he was younger growing up. And I appreciate that. I actually commend him for that. But when you start off with this beautiful Air Max 97 with the corduroy, you're going to get ridiculed if you start doing all those classic Adidas shoes. For one, the kids are new. They're younger. They don't really remember all that nostalgicness. And for two, Adidas does a bad job with their collabs. Bad Bunny is like is the biggest superstar in the world, and look what happens with him. Pusha T, I'm a huge favorite. Everybody but Kanye goes crazy over there. Pharrell started off with a bang, but now you can find these NMDs for the low, and I mean the low. Pause this video, go to StockX right now, and you know what I'm saying. Either way, I want to compare the Air Max 97 Sean Wotherspoons to the ASIC joints. Now, off comparison, just looking, both sneakers are corduroy. That's a given. And with these, he was still off the high of these, so that's why I think the similarities are there. Now, ASICS, not a big sneaker company. You got Nike, you got Adidas, New Balance you'll put in front of ASICS, Converse. It's a lot before you think ASIC, but these sneakers here are fire. The way that he just changed this concept and put it on the ASICS joint is dope. But he also went extra level with the ASIC joints. Let me explain. Man, these things are pretty, man. So just like the 97s, the Nike joints, you get your corduroy look, but you get detachable parts here. As a matter of fact, you get a whole bag of the ASIC logo Velcro detachable parts. I know you're saying that's not much different on the Nike joints because also here you get detachable parts. But I don't think Nike was letting him detach the swoosh. So that's a similarity, guys. Now, besides the corduroy and the Velcro detachments, the same similarities you get is vibrant colors. This screams summer at you. The Nike ones and also the ASIC ones. Also the mudguard look. He kept that similar. Even though this is an original ASIC silhouette, he made sure that mudguard stays similar to the Nike joint. So that's another similarity. This looks crazy without the logo. Let me get the logo back on. That looks crazy. We have a big difference here. Can you spot it? I didn't really spot this until I tried to put this on with joggers. But look, the ASIC silhouette has no tongue, and it looks crazy to me. Look at this, guys. It's like a split tongue in the middle here. On the Nike one, you got your traditional tongue, and it's dope. That nice lemonade yellow look. Super dope, man. But there's no tongue on the silhouette of the ASICS joint. Let me bring the other one in. As you can see, it looks like a t-shirt or a polo shirt as it just connects here. You do have shoelaces, though, which kind of hides that, but there's no tongue at the top there. Colors is dope, though. Another similarity is the mini logo. You know I love a mini swoosh. You got that on the Air Max 97s. And then you got a mini swoosh on the ASICS also. I mean, one is on the outer, one is on the inner, but they both are mini logos, and I like that a lot. The play on colors at the bottom is also another similarity, as you got the pink there, the blue there on the 97s, and then on this foot, you got the purple and I guess like a gray, a darkish gray, but you see how it looks similar. Big difference, noticeable difference is that the ASICS sneaker looks like two different sneakers. It looks like you have on two different pairs of sneakers, as the Air Max 97 stay consistent on both shoes with colors, but you can swoosh the top. Like I told you, you can interchange the logos on the tongue, but everything else stayed primary the same, as the ASICS look like two different shoes. You could say the shoelaces changed a bit, but not really, because the ASICS pair comes with a pair here that kind of resembles the Sean Wotherspoon Nike joints, kinda. So you can't really say that's a difference because it's almost the same. As I told you about the tongue thing that comes off, the Velcro look, the Atmos ASICS joints comes with a couple too. That could go, I guess, anywhere on the ASICS sneaker you would like, but it is in the almost same shape as the Nike one, so that's why I kind of had to point it out. Yes, sir. So like I said, Sean Wotherspoon, the Hot Wheel joints, they're not bad. It's just not selling. Right now, I saw a pair for like $45, which is crazy, and I should have picked it up. But ever since he's been with Adidas, it has been on a downward spiral. It has been. You had the Earth joints, the Earth Day joints. I did a crazy review of those, early review. I'll try to find it. It was a while ago. I'll put it up there. I felt like the sneakers was dope, but it was a little different. You know, the sneakers with the stitching hanging off to the floor is different, so I get it. When you go from a primary Air Max 97 to just trying new things, people are going to hate or feeling different, and that's cool. But far as these two here, I think if we all had a chance to get one pair retail, 9 times out of 10, we going with these. Not only because it looks better in my opinion, because of the brand, Nike behind it. But these ASICS joints are fire. Right now, StockX has these for like $280. Depending on your size, my size, I've seen it for $280. I think retail was $170. So it is a steal here. But if you go here, retail for these was $180, and now they like $900. So you kind of see the difference here. It's something about the first. It's something about the brand. I just had to get these similarities and differences to y'all because I love both sneakers. This one I wore a couple of times. This one I still haven't unds, but I will soon. Some is here. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I got some more coming, man. Everybody, get rich.